Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So, cherry red metallic, I like this. Volkswagen Tiguan 2-litre TDI BlueMotion tech. It's a match, it's a DSG automatic. It is 4-wheel drive, it's 2 owners from new, it's 88,000 miles. It's very good service history. It's had the cam belt replaced. It has satellite navigation, a reverse camera, DAB radio, cruise control and self-park amongst other things. And the price is $8,695. Now when I say very good service history, 10, 19, 29, 52, 61, 70, 77, 82 and 88,000 miles, including the cam belt at 67,000 miles. So as I said, cherry red metallic, 4-wheel drive, reverse camera, rear park sensors, privacy glass, alloy wheels, just been serviced. Alloys are in lovely condition, MOT'd until the 24th of June 2025. Front fogs, front park sensors, aluminium roof rails. So DSG automatic, velour seating, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, satellite navigation, DAB radio, reverse camera, heated seats, climate control, self park, electronic handbrake, auto hill hold, 4-wheel drive. Got the picnic tables on the backs of the front seats, fitted mats. Now they're rubber ones in the back and cloth ones in the front. Load covers in there, space saver spare wheels in there, lovely and clean. I'll show you. Oh, I just have to unlock it. BlueMotion. As you can see, alloy roof rails, privacy glass. Alloys are in exceptional condition. Lovely and clean throughout. Folding mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights, multifunction steering wheel. As I say, with cruise control over there, 88,576 miles. Sat nav, I'll show you the reverse camera. Quite unusual on one of these. Pop it in reverse, wait a second, and there you go. Lovely clear reverse camera. Obviously heated seats, cruise. If you go to the radio, there is if I can just go, there you go, DAB digital radio. Back to the map, electronic handbrake, hill hold. You see the self park function down there. Lovely car. I'll just show you in the boot because it is super clean throughout this. So parcel shelf, load net still underneath it, really clean, and under there, space saver, spare wheel jack, wheel brace, towing guide, etc. All complete. So this car comes with 2 keys, 2 owners. Mega service history, just been serviced, just been MOT, good spec, pretty colour, lovely condition, £8,695. Lot of car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Tiguans in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over and over again. There's nearly 2,000 other car videos we have produced over the last 10 years. You can have a thumb through those. And if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you will be the first person to know every time we have a fresh vehicle come into stock. You will get a little notification, so you will know what cars we've got first before anyone else. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.